Hello and welcome to another episode of mobilestechland.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Chrome on a Fire TV stick. So let's take a look at the video. First of all, go ahead and download the Chrome APK for Fire TV stick from the link below. Make sure to open the latest version and download the APK variant having 3 parameters: ARM64-V8A plus ARMEABI-V7A, Android 7.0 Plus and NODPI. This will allow you to download the latest Chrome for your Fire TV. You need to transfer the APK to your Fire TV using the Send Files to TV app and then install it through the Total Commander app. Just go through the first method of the linked guide and you will be all set. Once you have transferred the APK, open Total Commander on your Fire TV and move to the download folder. Here you will find the Chrome APK. Click on it and select Install. On the next page, you will have to allow Total Commander to install unknown apps. After that, click on Install again. I hope this video helped. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe for more videos. Stay connected to Mobile Tech Land and see you in the next one.